could take off his head whenever he wanted. And then, suddenly, the snake got the duck.
No! Don't forget the dragon, honey.
And then, the alligator ate the lady. And then there was a seal and a snake. Then the elephant suddenly had a crown by his king. This king was nicer, and the queen is nicer.
There was also a very friendly dragon. But the dragon was a little bit shy. So sometimes you have to say very nice things to the dragon, like, "Come out, little dragon. Come out. Oh, look how cute you are.
And then
You don't look like you'd ever hurt anybody."
The veterinarian
The veterinarian who takes care of all of them? Okay, wait a minute. Tamar's narration is not over yet. Keep going, Tamar. So what happens next, Tamar? A stinger?
And then the